Zen begins right here.
Not when life is perfect.
When you can't stop thinking.
Zen is not escaping the world.
It's waking up inside it.
Zen isn't a blank mind.
It's a clear mind. Start with the body.
Upright, relaxed.
Let breathing breathe.
Let's come and go.
You don't have to follow.
One breath is enough.
Practice one breath return.
Wandering and back.
Before you react,
Take one breath.
Zen fits in doorways. Feel your feet.
Waiting can be practice.
Which brings practice too.
Let sound be the bell.
Hear it fully.
No special incense required.
Everything changes.
The self shifts too.
You can choose the next step.
Practice 3, mindful walking.
Step and know you're stepping.
No performance. Just presence.
Before you speak.
Make it true and kind.
Karma is built from small choices.
Try 60 seconds today. Zen starts with seeing clearly. This moment is alive.
Stress is a signal, not a sentence.
Choose what you feed.
Let the world move.
Sound and return.
Breath rides the sway.
No need to harden.
Even noise can help.
Nothing lasts.
And that's not bad news.
Loosen the grasp.
Feel it without becoming it.
One breath changes the tone.
Asana.
Listening is Zen too.
Walking, step, no, step.
Tiny spaces are enough. Touch brings you back.
Thanks. Thanks.
Awareness turns outward.
Compassion is practice.
Right speech begins with pause.
True. Kind. Needed.
That's karma in motion.
Ordinary is the dojo.
Care without drowning.
Walking clears the mind gently.
See change happen.
You can't hold a river.
So don't grip your mind.
No props. Just you.
Back. Clarity settles when you stop stirring.
That's Zen Basics.
Try it for 1 minute.
No app required.
Body upright.
Let the jaw unclench.
Like weather.
Sound is a bell.
Open the hand of the mind. Now walk.
step and know it.
Zen is in the reach. Return before the spiral. Feel the body signal.
Listening is right effort.
Not every thought needs words.
Speak to help, not to win.
Hey, you okay? Compassion is practical.
We all carry weight.
Impatience is just energy. Joy is allowed.
Look up. Connection is practice.
Do the next right thing.
Feel the texture.
Don't answer from heat.
Walk it out.
Right speech is trained.
Zen isn't mystical.
It's intimate reality.
Stillness is already here.
Future thoughts return. Even this.
May I be ease.
May you be at ease.
Thanks.
Small kindnesses add up. Zen Basics. Return again and again.
Every day you begin again.
No perfect version required.
One breath is a doorway.
The bell is everywhere.
Walking is meditation moving. Step by step.
Pause creates space. Space creates choice.
Feel the urge.
Then listen.
Then listen.
I needed that report an hour ago. Do you understand the deadline?
I hear you. Let's prioritize the key sections together.
Kindness is strength. You change the moment. Thank you.
Compassion is concrete.
No sermon needed.
Bells can be ordinary.
Taste this life.
Feel it with kindness.
Connection is action.
You're not trying to erase life.
Everything flows.
Let your mind flow too.
Arrival is practice.
Return. Again.
Stop shaking the globe.
No fighting.
Just step.
Bell.
Breath. Sound. Step.
Give yourself 60 seconds.
And watch what changes.
Not the world.
Your relationship to it.
Choice by choice.
This is compassion.
This is compassion.
Zen is ordinary courage.
Return again and again.
If this helped, try it once today.